Hey, second grade. Today we're going to practice subtracting three-digit numbers with regrouping. We're going to focus this week on not using manipulatives, and we're going to start in the ones area regrouping. All right, so let's get started. Your assignment will be to solve the two problems I've posted on your slide when you're done and record a flip grid to explain it. Good luck. I'm so proud of your hard work. All right, so like I said, we're going to start with subtracting in the ones column this week, okay? Because last week we had a lot of confusion. So let's get started. I'm going to solve them all in expanded form, okay? So let's do 743 minus 217. All right, I'm going to write it in expanded form. That would be 700 plus 40 plus 3. Oops, I forgot to circle my main operation. Bring it over, minus 200. My writing's not that great on here. Plus 10 plus 7. Okay, right now I know I have 3. And if I only have $3, will Walmart let me buy something that is $7? No, they won't, because I don't have enough. I need $7 to buy something. Okay, so in order to do that, I would have to make an exchange. I need a 10. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to get a different color. I'm going to go over here, take a 10 from my 10s. So my 10s become 30. And I'm going to add 10 to my 3. And that becomes 13. Because 10 plus 3 is 13. Now, I can take 7 away from 13. I know 14 minus 7 is 7. So 14 is one more than 13. So it would be 6. So it's 6. I could have also said 13 and then counted backwards. Same thing. Bring down my plus sign. But it's good to make relational thinking in your head so it makes subtracting easier or adding easier. Okay, so 30 minus 10 we know is 20. Bring down the plus sign. 700 minus 200. We know 7 minus 2 is 5, so 700 minus 200 has to be 500. 500 plus 20 plus 6 is 526. Look at you go. It's going to get a lot easier. Okay. We're going to do another one. Let's do 571 minus 135. All right, let's write it in expanded form. 500. Oh, remember our big operation, it's subtraction. Plus 70 plus 1. Bring over my main operation, which is minus. We don't want to forget that. 100 plus 30 plus 5. Okay, where do I always tell you to start? The ones place. I have $5. This is how I like to pretend. This is how much I start with. But I have $1, but what I want to buy is $5. So I cannot take 5 from 1. I can only take 1 away, and that would be 4. So I have to go to the bank because Walmart wouldn't let me give them $1 for something that's $5. They won't do it. You have to pay what it costs, right? So I have to go to my bank and I have to get a 10. So my 10 becomes 60. I bring my 10 over. And 10 plus 1 is now 11. So 11 minus 5. We know 10 minus 5 is 5. 11 is 1 more, so it'd be 6. Okay, bring down the plus sign. 60 minus 30. We know 6 minus 3 is 3. So 60 minus 30 has to be 30. Bring down my plus sign. 500 minus 100 is 400. So my total is 436. All right, guys, we're going to do one more. Y'all are doing so good. It's good practice not using our base place value blocks. Okay, let's do a harder one. 873 minus 417. Okay. Once again, circle your main operation. 800 plus 70 plus 3 minus, circle it, 400 plus 10 plus 7 equals. All right, now I have $3, but I want to buy something that is $7. I don't have enough to take away from it. And in subtraction, I can't take the 7 and just flip it over. It's not the same answer. So I've got to go over here to my bank. I'm going to use blue this time. And I've got it from my 70, I've got to take a 10 away. So that becomes 60. And I'm going to add my 10 to the 3. And that becomes 13. Because 10 plus 3 is 13. Oh, we ended up with 13 again. 13 minus 7. Well, we know 14 minus 7 is 7. So 1 less would be 6. Bring down my plus sign. 60 minus 10 is 50. 800 minus 400. We know 8 minus 4 is 4. So it'd be 400. Put them together. 400 plus 50 plus 6 is 456. All right, guys, great job. Can't wait to see your hard work on your flip grids today. Great luck and keep working hard on your math.